Hi folks, Nate, Yacht Boss here with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're looking at a 1994 Carver 440. Let's have a look. Welcome to the Carver 440. This is a dual cabin, aft cabin layout. She's powered by twin Cat 3126s and has ample room for all of your entertaining and long-term staying. Excellent loop boat, fully rigged, and tons of updates. Let's go through them. Windlass with foot controls at the bow and helm controls as well with a fortress anchor. Here we are at the helm. All new gauges have just been installed and calibrated with new sending units on each engine. Ample space for electronics, comfortable controls with great visibility, 360 degrees around the boat. Large cabinet storage areas in the front, perfect for oversized gear as well as life jackets and safety equipment, boat fenders, dock lines, anything that tends to get unruly around the boat. Walk around helm area, making it very convenient for captain and or guests to move freely and have good visibility all around the boat. Canvas and isinglass were all brand new 2 seasons ago and are in excellent and well-maintained condition. Large aft deck area with fridge, ice maker, storage cabinets, as well as ample visibility all around the back of the boat with large zip-out windows or removable canvas. Stepping into the large salon area, we have brand new carpet throughout, beautiful large space including electric fireplace, recessed kitchen, dinette, and expansive windows that open and all have brand new ceramic tint installed this season. This dinette also converts to a berth. The comfortable L-shaped couch also converts to a bed. In the master stateroom, we have a queen-size bed, a makeup counter or personal desk area, lots of cabinets and storage all around, including underneath the bed where there is a spare set of props. Full-length cedar-lined closets side by side here with ample storage for hanging. In the master head, we have a full-size separate stall shower with molded seat, large countertop space with sink, plenty of cabinet storage, and a vacuum flush head. 3 air conditioning units on board, including 1 separate for the master stateroom, 1 for the salon, and 1 for the forward berth. So in the forward berth, we have a bunk system set up with a full-size bunk and then a twin upper bunk, large cabinet and hanging locker with ample space for all your gear storage needs. Forward head is set up with a day head access, includes a large space with separated stall shower, molded seat, vacuum flush head, large counter space and cabinets, washer dryer, separate top and bottom, the washer below and the dryer up above, as well as storage above the washer. Okay. In the galley, we have 3-burner range top stove with oven, all in brand new unused condition, full-size microwave convection oven, full counter space with double sinks, ample cabinetry throughout, as well as a full-size fridge and freezer. In the engine room, we have the twin Cat 3126s with good access. Each just received their 1,000-hour services with full documentation. Here we have the generator with full insulated sound box. This is Nate, Yacht Boss with Not 10 Yacht Sales. And again, if you'd like to come down and see this beautifully kept and maintained 1994 Carver 440 with beautiful finishes and space, feel free to give me a call at 416-902-0991, or you can email me at nate@not10.com. Thanks so much.